In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add indicators in NinjaTrader Web. By the end, you'll have your chosen indicator applied to a chart and configured with the settings you need. First, open the chart where you want to add the indicator. If the chart is already open, bring it into focus so it fills the screen. Make sure you're on the instrument and time frame you intend to analyze, since the indicator will follow whatever you have on this chart. Next, access the Indicators menu. At the top of the chart window, click the Indicators icon. If you prefer using the context menu, right-click anywhere on the chart and select Indicators. Either action opens the Indicators panel so you can choose and manage what you add. A list of available indicators appears. From here, search or scroll to find your desired indicator. If you know the name, start typing it into the search field and you'll see the list narrow as you type. If you're browsing, scroll through the categories until you spot the one you want. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct indicator before adding it. Now, add and configure it. Click on the indicator in the list and select Add, or simply double-click the indicator name. You'll see it move into the selected area, and its settings appear on the right side of the menu. This is where you control how it calculates and how it looks on the chart. Customize the parameters on the right. Adjust input values to set how the indicator is calculated, such as periods or sources. Update visual settings like colors, line styles, and thickness, so the plot stands out clearly against your chart background. If the indicator offers multiple plots, set distinct colors or styles for each one to avoid confusion. As you make changes, verify that the preview or parameter values match what you intend. If you're unsure about a particular field, keep the default. It's a safe starting point and you can fine-tune later. Nothing is applied to the chart yet, so feel free to review each option carefully. Once that's done, apply your changes. Click Apply to load the indicator with your chosen settings, and then click OK to close the panel. This two-step confirm ensures your settings are saved and the indicator is actually added to the chart. After you click OK, look at the chart to confirm the new plot appears where you expect. You should see the indicator rendered using the colors and line styles you selected. If you don't see it immediately, check that you clicked both Apply and OK, and that your chart scale isn't hiding the plot. At this point, your indicator is active on the NinjaTrader Web chart. If the lines are hard to see, reopen the Indicators panel and adjust the color contrast or line thickness using the same settings area on the right. If the results look unusual, revisit the input values and confirm they're set to the periods or sources you intended. Small adjustments often make the output clearer and easier to interpret. To summarize the process you just completed on screen, you opened the chart you wanted to work with, accessed the Indicators menu from the top icon, or by right-clicking, searched or scrolled to find the specific indicator, added it with a click or a double-click, customized its parameters on the right side, and then clicked Apply and OK to place it onto the chart. Following these exact steps ensures the indicator is added correctly and displayed with your chosen settings. The indicator is now added and working on your NinjaTrader Web chart. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.